My dear brothers and sisters, nature is much clever than human. Human, how much they can try, they can disturb to the nature, but they cannot destroy the nature. So, nature is much clever. Nature has created the protection to protect it. That's why so many spiritual practitioners silently they are doing practice to protecting themselves. So they are creating their electromagnetic field. Suppose one magnet, one iron cannot change to the other iron quality, but same iron, when we can connect to the electricity, then it can become a magnet. 1000 iron get chance to changing their iron quality to the magnetic quality. So similarly, we are normal human being has become a iron quality. We are trying to changing ourselves through our unrealized consciousness. That unrealized consciousness is impossible to change. But when we can start realizing ourselves, then we will be connecting with the cosmic consciousness electromagnetic field. Then we will become a peaceful electromagnetic field. Then unrealized people also they will get chance to realizing themselves to get the peace. Me is the root cause to protecting to the universe. Every me, if we started changing, definitely there is a solution. And my dear brothers and sisters, I can tell you how much human are clever. They are thinking they will destroy the nature to the Mother Earth. I can assure you, impossible. Impossible. Nature knows how to protect it. You may remember 7,000 years ago, there was a ice age where dinosaur is a big life source. It has been destroyed because of selfishness, but still life is existing on the Mother Earth. So nature knows when that corruption is come to rotten potato, they have to throw it out, and they are the rotten potato of the society. They themselves also will go away. Those half rotten, half good potatoes are existing. That also clever way has to be throw it out to protecting the good potato. Nature knows how to protect the good seed, to sort it out the rotten potato and half rotten, half good potatoes, and that situation is there. So nothing to worry. And after the destruction, new generation is coming, new higher generation is coming, which will protect us, which will give us the higher abilities to higher realization. So new creation, new generation, new pieces are coming in the very soon. So that's why we'll enjoy after this some kind of sort it out the rotten mentalities and half rotten mentalities, then we'll get the purification. And solution is me, every me. If we can be live with the nature, we can follow the natural law. If we can merge with the nature, and we are connecting with the nature, love to the nature, protecting to the nature, nature is always protecting us, we will be saved. Thank you very much, and wish everybody's peaceful, blissful, healthy and enlightened life. And I pray for everybody, be awake, aware, don't be asleep, time is over to sleep. We have to get up, awake and aware to protect ourselves. Thank you very much.